So Vuyakazi, she's still part of Izanganiza's temple, and people are so proud of Vuyakazi saying that Seleko they will not use Vuyakazi this season. So anyway, guys, so let's get to start of today. You know, the rest of the houses are my pizza for sale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. We know that the Izanganiza's temple is back. So guys, on Sunday after Izanganiza's temple first episode of Vuyakazi was trending, and people are saying that even though Vuyokazi, she's not part of the cast member Izinganiza's Tembo reality show, she's also trending on Twitter. No wonder why Vuyokazi introduced those two businesses this month of May, knowing very well Izinganiza's Tembo is coming back. At least now she's using her fame to make money. So guys, the people are saying that Izinganiza's Tembo without Vuyokazi, there's no way people they're not gonna talk about Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi bring numbers to the show, even though she's not in the show. But guys, people are still talking about Vuyokazi. So people are saying, oh, but whoever advising Vuyokazi did a right thing. At least Vuyokazi right now, she has two businesses, she's doing well. People are saying that she will make more money on YouTube. So today, Vuyokazi posted these beautiful pictures. As you can see, she went on to say it's almost time to go live. Join us tomorrow on the 28th May 2025, Wednesday, as we launch our new brand website. Stay tuned for more updates. So people are saying, oh, that this is the right moment for Vuyokazi to advertise her business. There's no need for her to pay influencers more money. She can just use the opportunity she has right now. And people are saying, oh, but there was no way Vuyokazi she's gonna sit there and do nothing. Well, she's trending for nothing, guys. People are saying, oh, but they were so worried about Vuyokazi she will be trending. Umpumelelo will be talking about her on a direct section and she will not be benefiting. So people are saying, oh, but yes, Vuyokazi she's not part of Izinganiza's team, but people do talk about her every day. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.